got several photos in from different people in different parts of Western Oregon yesterday of these rainbows that were spotted in those high cirrus clouds yesterday. This one sent in from Francis Smith up in southwest Corvallis. Just a beautiful photo all around, even without the rainbow, but you can see that rainbow in the high cirrus clouds. And this actually only happens a certain time of year for the mid-latitudes. It happens when you start to get close to the summer solstice, and that's because the sun has to be at a certain angle to cause this refraction of light through the ice crystals, which are contained in those cirrus clouds. It's made of ice rather than water because these clouds are higher up into the atmosphere where it's colder. Just a cool picture. Thanks to Francis and to all of you who sent in photos similar to this yesterday. Now, if you have any weather photos you'd like to share, you're out and about this afternoon, I should get some great sunny shots. You can send those to me on Twitter and on Facebook as always. The high temperatures yesterday managed to get to 69 degrees here in Eugene. It was back to the low 70s for those of you in Corvallis and in Roseburg. Low 60s for Central Oregon, and as you head out to the coast, back into the low 60s there as well. Now, that high temperature of 69 degrees, pretty much what we would expect for this time of year. The average is 68. The record all the way up to 86, and we haven't been that warm since back in 1963, at least on May 19th. We did manage to pick up over 1/10 of an inch of rainfall with those scattered showers yesterday, which did help to reduce pollen a little bit, also helping to drop that rainfall deficit just a little bit as well. We're not going to see any more rain here today through the next couple of days, and that's because that storm system has now pushed further into Nevada, and we are seeing clearing skies in behind it. It was completely clear before the sunrise this morning, but because we are still seeing some onshore flow, that has allowed some of that marine layer to push here into the valley. What's out there, though, this morning will break right up. Nothing that's going to produce any rainfall. We'll get back to mostly sunny, dry conditions here for the remainder of the day and really the remainder of the week as that high pressure continues to nudge its way here into the Pacific Northwest. So that will hold with us through about Friday. But then just in time for Memorial Day weekend, we do have a storm system that's going to try to move through. If you do have outdoor plans this coming weekend, good news is this storm is pretty weak. It's not going to do much. It'll bring back some cloud cover. It'll drop our temperatures a few degrees, and it'll also bring in chances for just some light showers, mainly not until Monday. As for the next 48 hours, though, stormcast continuing to show, again, dry conditions for us in Western Oregon today. The one exception to that will be the Cascade Crest, where we could see a few showers firing up this afternoon. Otherwise, seeing dry, mostly sunny skies as we head into Wednesday, into Thursday, even into most of Friday as well. But eventually we'll start to see those clouds and possible showers moving in here to Western Oregon. The coast is headed toward the low to mid 60s today. A little bit breezy. Wind gusts will be up to about 35 miles per hour. Again, you are seeing some of that morning cloud cover, but otherwise mostly sunny and dry this afternoon. For the Umpqua Basin, you're headed back to the mid 70s, so continuing to warm up. Cascades could see a few showers late today. Otherwise, mostly sunny and highs back near 60 degrees. Central Oregon could see a few of those showers spilling down the east slopes. Otherwise, you're headed toward the low 70s as well. And in the valley, low to mid 70s. Mostly sunny. We're warming up, and those winds are going to be out of the north. For the coast, temperatures continue to climb. Should get into the upper 60s by Thursday. But again, seeing the clouds and possible light showers here through the weekend. For the Umpqua Basin, as warm as 83 on Thursday, only dropping to the low to mid 70s this weekend. The Cascades climbing to 68 degrees midweek, and you'll also see those clouds and chances for showers Friday night all the way through Monday. And for the Willamette Valley, again, low to mid 70s today and tomorrow, 78 Thursday. And again, this weekend we'll cool it down to about 70, mostly cloudy with a few showers, especially on Monday.